Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing these really cool lights. They've got like these letters and you can change them out and hang them on your wall. So today I'm going to be trying them out and see how they are. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first I have to take it out of the box. And I love these lights, they look super cool and I can't wait to try them out. Okay, so I've gotten them out here, and this is what the box looks like. They show like hanging them on the wall, and on the back they just show another little setup. It's really cool. So here are my little letters. So this is what they look like in the package, and I just put batteries inside. But this is what they look like. You can unravel them, and then you can hang them up behind you. So I am going to spell a word, and it gives quite a bit of letters in this little box, so I'm going to figure out which words I'm going to spell, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I finished putting all the letters on, and this is what it looks like. So I wrote hashtag love and laugh, so it works really well, and if you want an empty little box, you can just not put anything inside and just flip it around and it would look blank. So I think the next step is to hang them behind me on my little wall here. So let's go try that and see how it works. So I'm going to hang it along the top up here, and I might keep changing it around because I'm not sure where I want it quite yet. And I'm just going to be using tape to be taping it on the wall so that I can always take it off and reposition it. So I'm going to take the first side and I'm going to go over here. So I hope it's easy to put on the wall. We're about to find out. Okay. The first little end on, and now I'm just going to come over here and try to position it the way I want, and it's looking pretty good. I think I just gotta make sure to turn them all around so you can see them. Alright, so that's what the other end looks like. Now we're just going to tape it. And I've turned around all the letters, and I'll probably adjust it a bit more. But there we go. It looks super cute. So I already put batteries inside, so now I'm going to turn them on. So let's turn it on. Oh, it's super cute, you guys. I'm going to give you guys a better close-up on it, and then we'll move on to the last. This is what it looks like. It's really, really cute. I love it. It says hashtag love and laugh, and then I've got all my little Polaroids on the bottom. It has the little battery holder thing over in the corner that you can switch on and off, which is very handy. And I just put some batteries inside that. So this is what my whole wall looks like. It looks really cute. And then I've got my little chair here. And I love all the colors. It's super nice and it's very aesthetic. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm super happy with these lights. They're really cute and they're a perfect little decoration to my room and my little YouTube studio wall. And I really like it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe down below, and also turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!